This video for you if you face sensor not working on Moto 4 or auto brightness not working on Motorola or Motorola call sensor problem. Watch this one video and fix all of this issue. Open your phone setting, scroll down and find out apps. Go to apps. Now search Google Play Service. Go to Google Play Service. Now click on three dot from the top right corner. Now uninstall update from Google Play Service. Now go back to your home screen. Tap and hold on your phone's power button. And now restart your phone. And finally, Motorola support team suggests that perform factory reset. And remember, before doing factory reset, please restore your all data, because factory reset delete your all phone's data. So make sure your data is restored and then perform factory reset.